guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a day in a life vlog. I will take you around on what I do today. I just went for a walk hike around Wonderland Lake. It's 20 something degrees and snowing, but it's just so beautiful. I'll try to see if I can show you some of the scenery. But yeah, so I'm gonna head to the post office now because I have to mail off my mom's Christmas gift. We did a Secret Santa, so I'm her Secret Santa. And then I will head home and I have to help JT with some work, take you guys along, and we'll see where we're going from there. Some updates is that my father-in-law moved in with us for the next 2 months until he gets into his new place. His lease expired, so we have an extra body and he's living down in the basement in our guest room too. And so that's kind of an interesting dynamic. So it's not exactly a typical day in my life because, you know, he likes to cook and everything, so it's nice. It's nice to have family, but also it kind of messes with your flow. We always have someone living with us, and so it really does mess with my flow of how my schedule with the kids and whatnot. But the kids are having fun with their grandpa, so I gotta head to the post office because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be busy. But let me show you the view real quick. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it that well, but we've got the foothills over there. Probably not the best views right now, but along the lake is gorgeous. Because I'm actually doing some client organization on JT's phone. So we went for a walk, and then I'm doing organization for his data space for his real estate stuff. So that's gonna take a long time, so there's not really much to see there. But I figured that while we're here, I'll show you our Christmas decorations. We went very, very simple because we're so just busy with work and stuff. But let me show you. This is a hilarious story. This is the front of the door. JT thought that this was, one year we had this as a Christmas tree because he didn't read the online description. And I came in and my parents are coming to town and this was how small it was. I was like, oh my goodness. But it's okay, it's cute because it's like a little Christmas tree now. We're using it for side decoration. And then this tree, believe it or not, is 8 foot tall. But it really does not look like it's 8 foot tall because, well, these ceilings I think are 20 feet tall. So anyways, I think it looks really pretty. I'll put a little clip of what I looked like when I had it on Instagram. I had a little fake fireplace situation on my on my Mac, and then I had Christmas music playing, so I'll insert that clip.
Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh.
But I like this a lot because it looks like little snow, and there's little pine cones and little cherries on it. Unfortunately, the problem is it makes tons of messes on the floor, little snow crumbs, but that's okay. But yeah, it's nice. And we got a beautiful view right here of the Flatirons, and it's gonna snow more. It's gonna snow more tonight, about another inch, but it's just really cozy, and it kind of makes me feel like I have a Christmas Christmas festivity energy. But yeah, anyways, I do need to go back to getting work done. JT's filming in his film room. Like, we're gonna use the movie theater as like his filming studio for now. But yeah, that is really what's going on. I kind of feel like this is boring, but to be honest, this is what a day in the life is. So anyways, and then Atlee's doing her little ABC mouse. Are you doing your ABCs? Yeah? Oh, you got a hamster? Let's see. It's too bright. There we go. Yay. Alrighty. Let's do some more work. I just got back. It is a snowy day, beautiful day, and I got 2 packages, one from Teeny and one from CEO Beauty. And these are the only things that I ordered from Black Friday. I just came back, so I'm gonna take off my jacket. And I'm gonna open up these packages that just came in. Hello. Okay, so let's go with the CEO Beauty first. So I have never actually ordered from them before, but I saw that they had like these masks that you put on your wrinkles and you sleep with them overnight and they go away. So I ordered one for me and one for my mom to see how they turn out. I want to let you guys know how they are too, because it was one of those like Instagram commercials and I wasn't sure. So basically, this is the CEO reusable wrinkle patch, and it's supposed to, I'm having like, it's supposed to go on your forehead right here. And I've been, ever since moving to Colorado, since it's so dry, I have really bad wrinkles. And so I don't know if you can see, but yeah, you see all that? I want to do Botox, but I haven't been doing it. So I'm gonna try this. Supposedly you can sleep with it overnight, and you can use it 10 times, reuse these. So I actually might do a little review for you guys on this. And then my mom has had issues. She doesn't like her neck wrinkles. So these supposedly are supposed to go, this patch is supposed to go on your neck, and then this patch goes on your forehead. And you sleep with it overnight, and when you wake up, it has like results. So we'll see, But they had like a sale, so I was like, I need to try that out. And maybe it might be a better route than actually getting like, you know, needles or Botox. So let me open my Teeny. So Teeny had like a huge sale going on that was like 50% off. It was the biggest sale I've ever seen them do. And so I had to get my essentials, and like I said, I don't like to fall for like the Black Friday sales just to buy because it's a good deal. But in this case, I bought because I use these things daily and all the time. So I wanted to show you what I got. So first off, I really have been wanting to try these cognac sponges. And it's 100% natural sponge, and every time I try to go order it or something, it's always out of sale. It's always sold out, and I use my own money for this. You guys know that I do collaborate with Teamy when they send me things, and I share it if I like it, but this time this is all me. I purchased this all on my own, and so I only spent $50 for all this because it was 50% off. So basically, this is infused with green tea, and it's a like green tea sponge, and it's like a live, I think it's like a live sponge. Well, it used to be alive, and basically it's like this, and it like puffs up into a sponge, and you wash your face like that too. So really excited about that. It's supposed to be pore refining, which I do have some bigger pores over here. Then I really wanted to try this. This is the new Superfood Moisturizer Lightweight Daily Cream. This just released, and I really wanted to get my hands on this. It has avocado, matcha, and squalane. I have no idea. And I have actually been trying a few, not right now, after I'm done. Atlee wants to pop. So yeah, I always like to try natural lotions. I've tried a few, and to be honest, I haven't found one that I have fell in love with yet. So I'm really hoping this will work for me, because ooh, okay, right off the bat, oh, it smells so good. It actually almost looks like guacamole. But we'll see how that is. We'll see how that turns out. I'll try it for a little while and let you guys know. Most all natural moisturizers I do not like, because for some reason I break out with them. I don't know why, but I don't like to have all the chemicals and everything. So we'll see how this turns out. So I'll keep you updated on that. What else did I? Oh yeah! Another thing I've been wanting to try, which has also been sold out, but now it's totally back in stock, is, oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. This is the Aloe Skin Hydration Gel. I am actually, it has aloe vera, tea tree, and elderberry, which are like three of my favorite natural plants. And I'm actually growing aloe in my little downstairs, but we've been using it and like not taking so good care of it. But aloe is so good for your skin, moisturizing, and it also like heals. And then tea tree, I believe, is antibacterial, and elderberry I like to ingest, which is really good for immunities. But anyways, I'm definitely going to try this out, and I most certainly will update you, because I really have been having problems with hydration in Colorado. It's so dry here. This smells good. It smells like actually tea tree, which is nice. I like that. And I think the majority of it actually is aloe, yeah. And then it has witch hazel, which is really good for cleansing your skin too. So very, very stoked about that. And then lastly, this is so exciting because I have used my teeny cups to death. This is BPA free, and so they needed to be retired, basically, my purple and white one. So I got myself an even better one, and I got myself, look at this. This is a teeny cup, and it is white, and then it has the little like strainer so you can put your tea in there, and it also has the base, which you can put your supplements or powders in the bottom, and they recommend like hand washing. But this is like an iridescent tea infuser, and it actually, I really like this a lot. This is so cute. I'm so happy. And I like to put water in it. You can infuse your teas in it, and it's just like such a beautiful unicorn iridescent color. And oh, are you massaging me, Atlee?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Atlee, she's massaging my back. Massage right here. Yeah. So anyways, guys, that is what I unboxed. I'm very excited about this. This is, like I said, I have been wanting to try all these products. So when Black Friday came, I like spent a little over $100, and I paid $50 for all these items. Again, this is not sponsored. They didn't send it to me, but I always have a discount code for you guys. If you want to use a discount code, there's one that's for now, but I would probably hold off until the discount code that's coming for Christmas, because I think that's another big one. I think it's like 50% off again. I'm not sure, but I'll link everything down below, so you can save money on, like, honestly, I love tea, I love beauty products, win-win. All right, guys, that is it.
Keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the